Hello, my name is Christina White, and I'm going to be telling you about my trip to Mackinac Island. This here is a picture of my best friend Kristen and I before heading further north to the island. This picture was taken at Hartwick Pines near Grayling, Michigan, which is the park that we stopped at to have a scenic view and to have a picnic lunch at. In this picture is Kristen, Mrs. Bonesteel, myself, and Mrs. Clock. Mrs. Bonesteel and Mrs. Clock were Kristen's and my mentors our senior year of high school, and we also had them as 5th grade teachers. These here are buildings at Colonial Fort Michilimackinac, and they are the original buildings. These are soldiers at Fort Michilimackinac, which is located right near the Mackinac Bridge. This is the Mackinac Bridge connecting the Lower Peninsula and the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. This is a church that is at Colonial Fort Michilimackinac, where soldiers used to attend church. These are wax mannequins who are inside of the buildings, and they're supposed to be representing soldiers that used to live at the fort. This is a picture of the Inn on Mackinac, which is where we stayed while visiting Mackinac Island. Every room in the hotel has very different colored wallpaper and is decorated differently. As you can see, the wallpaper is very unique, and there's not one other room in this hotel that has the same wallpaper, same bedding, or same furniture. This is a view outside of our window of the pool. We were not able to go swimming though because it was too cold. This is Kristen and I at the butterfly factory on a butterfly bench. In this picture is the blue morpho, which is one of the types of butterflies at the butterfly house, and it was really interesting because all of the butterflies would fly around and some would even land on the humans, but we were strictly told not to touch them. This is one of the flowers at the butterfly house in Mackinac Island. Motorized vehicles are not allowed on the island, so the main modes of transportation are walking, biking, or horse and carriage. So this is one of the horse and carriages that goes around the island. One of the nights that we were there, we enjoyed a beautiful, relaxing bike ride around the island, and Kristen and I ended up taking a tandem bike around, which was great fun. This is a picture of the Grand Hotel, which has over 130,000 overnight guests during the summer, and in 2006, the 5 millionth guest checked in. This is the Grand Hotel pool, which holds around 500,000 gallons of water and is shaped like a peanut. This is one of the chandeliers in the cupola bar in the Grand Hotel. This is the front porch of the Grand Hotel. It is estimated to be 666 feet long. This is Kristen and I on the front porch. This is Mrs. Clock and I sitting on the front porch of the Grand Hotel in Mackinac Island. In this picture are our 5th grade students who were playing games in the grass and having fun. This is a picture of Arch Rock on Mackinac Island looking down onto the water. Credits for the pictures go to Christina White, Kristen Roberts, and unknown people.